Hey, Courtney and Todd. We've been working on your beautiful home over the last week or so and wanted to share with you, this is a 65-inch TV we're showing underneath the tapestry here. And while you will be able to lay on the sofa and watch this television, it's about 50 feet from the kitchen to the TV, so you won't be able to hear it or see it from the kitchen. So as we have studied this to figure out a solution, we actually prepared a little enclosed television area both in this nook, which we're calling the coffee nook. You'll see here in a moment as it pops up, but you'll see that's 50 feet between the island and the television. So even if the tree was gone, you would not be able to see it or hear it. So we've created a little secret compartment over here in the lounge area. And that TV can be on a swivel, so you can see it and hear it from the kitchen, as well as if you wanted to watch the news in the morning while having coffee, this is a good place to do that. So I think that resolves the issue. We also have a new concept for the family room we wanted to talk to you about. And so here we're showing this beautiful new idea of what the family room can look like. And the inspiration images, you'll see we're showing a beautiful neutral palette. And we are using, of course, your existing pool table, but this just shows that we're proposing to recover it. Okay, so here is the new family room concept, and I love it. I think it's so cozy, and we've got a wood tone on the ceiling. Since we did not get it on the floor, the ceiling is creating that warmth now, and I just think that we definitely needed the love and attention applied to this back area. And this TV is quite large. It's either 75 or 85, so it would be great for football or really watching TV versus formal entertaining or more formal activities, which would clearly be in the grand room. But this might just be a more cozy lounge space that could feel quite yummy if you were just wanting a little bit more of an intimate environment. Since the other room is so massive, it might feel good to have this little place of refuge in your home. Let us know what you think.